Hello guys, this is 7 topic that is conductor of that series. Okay, so conductor. So guys, conductor means what? Conductor is a substance through which electric current flows. कंडक्टर एक ऐसा पदार्थ है जिसे इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो होता है. So conductor, and what is important guys here in terms of conductor, they are asking how many electrons in last orbit of conductor. So there should be less than 4 electrons in last orbit of an atom of that conductor. This is the conductor. And what is insulator? If there should be more than 4 electrons in last orbit of any atom, that is insulator. And what is semiconductor guys? If there should be exactly 4 electrons in last orbit of that atom is called a semiconductor guys. So this is the basic difference in conductor, insulator and semiconductor. Actually this comparison we will see at the last video of that topic. Okay, so firstly, we have studied definition. What is the definition guys? Substance, conductor means substance through which electric current flows, that is conductor. Okay, and then we have studied how many electrons in last orbit of atom of the conductor. So there should be less than 4 electrons. And now the classification on the basis of shapes and size. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ शेप्स एंड साइज के बेसिस पे हम कंडक्टर का क्लासिफिकेशन करते हैं गाइस. सो सॉलिड कंडक्टर, लिक्विड कंडक्टर एंड गैसियस कंडक्टर. व्हाट आर द सॉलिड कंडक्टर? दैट इज एल्यूमिनियम, कॉपर, सिल्वर, गोल्ड. These are solid conductor and we are using popularly, that is aluminum and copper. We are using most aluminum and copper. This is the solid conductor guys. Then next liquid conductor guys. Liquid conductor means what? Liquid conductor, which are the liquid conductor guys? Copper sulfate, sulfuric acid, ammonium chloride, sodium chloride, copper sulfate. These are the liquid through which electric current flows. And then gaseous conductor. Gaseous conductor means what? Vapor conductor through which also electric current flows. Which are they guys? This is neon, helium, sodium, argon. These are the vapor or gases through which electric current flows guys. ओके, सो हमने देखा गाइस सॉलिड से भी इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो होता है, लिक्विड से भी इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो होता है और गैसेस से भी इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो होता है. देन नेक्स्ट क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कंडक्टर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कंडक्टिविटी के अकॉर्डिंगली क्लासिफिकेशन. सो हियर वी आर कैटेगराइज्ड इनटू 4: सुपर कंडक्टर, गुड कंडक्टर, बैड कंडक्टर, सेमी कंडक्टर. व्हाट इज द फीचर फॉर सुपर कंडक्टर? सुपर कंडक्टर मीन्स व्हाट? Superconductor means what? There is no voltage drop, no power loss, that is efficiency 99.9%. This is the superconductor. Means there should be very minimum loss, nil loss. So here are two only, lead and tin. Do you know what is the atomic number for lead? What is the atomic number for lead? 82. Actually it is very important to learn or remember atomic number of atom, atomic mass number of atom, symbol of atom. Very important guys. If you haven't seen the first lecture, my first video of this series, then you need to go there first and then jump here. Okay, it is easy. It will be convenient for you. If you study basic, then definitely it will convenient for you. So lead, at which temperature superconductor, at which temperature lead is not this is it act as superconductor when the temperature goes on 7.2 degree Kelvin guys. Kelvin, this is, so when it has a temperature 7.2 degree Kelvin, then it act as a superconductor. Which lead? Then mercury guys. What is the atomic number for mercury? 80. Atomic number for mercury 80. And what is the symbol? Hg. वेरी डिफरेंट, वेरी एक्सेप्शनल. और व्हाट हुई देखो, मर्क्यूरी ऐसा है, MerCury, मर्क्यूरी है ना, ऐसा है ना उसका स्पेलिंग। तो हमें लगता है कि यम इसका सिंबल होगा, बट नहीं है गाइस। और ऐसा ही एक्सेप्शनली आपको जितना भी एलिमेंट्स है जो मैंने फर्स्ट लेक्चर में कि लिया हुआ है वो आपको जाकर देखना होगा। एक्सेप्शनल ही लिया हुआ है। देखो ज़्यादातर एस्पिरेंट्स को ऐसा लगता है कि यम लेटर से स्टार्ट हुआ तो इसका सिंबल भी यम ही होगा, बट वैसा नहीं है गाइस। इसका सिंबल जो है ना वो Hg है। मरकुरी का जो सिंबल है ना गाइस वो Hg है। और ये सुपर कंडक्टर कब एक्ट होता है गाइस? 4.4 डिग्री केल्विन। 4.4 डिग्री केल्विन। व्हाट आर द यूनिट टू मेजर टेम्परेचर? केल्विन, फ़ारेनहाइट, डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड। सो केल्विन इज द SI यूनिट ऑफ टेम्परेचर गाइस. So remember always we are measuring temperature in electric sector in Kelvin, in terms of Kelvin, because this is the SI unit of temperature. So remember this point, Kelvin. Okay, so when it is 4.4 degree Kelvin, mercury is at a superconductor. Then guys, good conductor. Okay, can you tell me superconductor, where it used guys? Where we need 100%, not 100%, 99.9% efficiency, there we use lead and mercury as a superconductor guys. Then good conductor is silver, copper, aluminum. In terms of conductivity, silver has first rank, second copper has second rank, and third aluminum. Okay, and we are mostly using copper and aluminum in terms of transmission and distribution. Popularly used copper and aluminum. In both comparison, aluminum is most used. Aluminum in terms of transmission distribution guys. Aluminum. So we will study also copper and aluminum comparison after that. Then bad conductor. Which are bad conductor? Carbon, tungsten, eureka, nichrome. These are the bad conductor. Okay, and where it is used? It is used as a resistor in a regulator guys. Then semiconductor are germanium, silicon, boron, polonium. So these are the semiconductor guys, and mostly we are using silicon from this. Mostly we are using silicon out of all semiconductors. So what is the use? As a diode and transistor in electronic equipment. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इक्विपमेंट में डायोड और ट्रांजिस्टर बनाने के लिए हम इन सेमीकंडक्टर का यूज़ करते हैं गाइस. सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दिस आर. देन गाइस यहाँ पे थोड़ा बेसिक देख लेते हैं गाइस. कंडक्टिविटी. डू यू नो द SI यूनिट फॉर कंडक्टिविटी? द मॉडर्न SI यूनिट फॉर कंडक्टिविटी, दैट इज सीमेन गाइस. सीमेन. हाउ इट इज रिटन? बाय यस. Yes, symbol for Siemens. Yes. And what is the old unit? Old unit of conductivity? Mho per meter. Mho per meter. Mho, what it is? Opposite of ohm. That is the unit for resistance. So this is the old unit mho per meter, and this is the modern unit Siemens. And what is the unit for conductance guys? Only mho. This is the unit for conductance guys. This is the unit for conductance, only mho. So you need to remember this. Very popular and basic questions. Actually guys, we are taking only basics. Very important this basic. These basics can make you strong, very strong. Here aluminum and copper. We are studying only selected features of aluminum and copper. Why? Because they are using most in transmission and distribution. That's why. And question also asking. Look here guys. अल्फा क्या डिनोट कर रहा है गाइस? टेम्परेचर कोएफिशिएंट. इट डिनोट्स टेम्परेचर कोएफिशिएंट. व्हाट इज द टेम्परेचर कोएफिशिएंट फॉर एल्यूमिनियम? 0.0035. एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ कॉपर 0.0039. So which has a bigger? Here copper has more temperature coefficient rather than aluminum. Comparatively we are looking guys. So here copper 0.0039, 0.0035. And here thermal conductivity. What is the SI unit for thermal conductivity guys? It also asked already. Watt per meter Kelvin. Okay, so what is the thermal conductivity for aluminum? 300 guys. In terms of copper, 425. Then melting point. What is the melting point for aluminum, guys? What is the melting point for aluminum? Melting point means what? At what temperature it melts? At what temperature it melts? So at 930 degree Kelvin it melts. Which aluminum? At 930 degree Kelvin, guys, not degree centigrade. If you want in degree centigrade, then convert into degree centigrade. Then in terms of copper, 1355 degree Kelvin, guys. So here comparatively you have to study. Here at all copper has bigger values. Copper has bigger value in terms of temperature coefficient, in terms of thermal conductivity, in terms of melting point. Here also and here also. So we need to study in this way, guys. Okay, we will meet in the next lecture.